Hello, this is Victor Uniform 2 Delta Charlie Charlie Mohan operating from Malwa, Cochin, and this is my radio setup here. This is one laptop connected to the radio with an external monitor. This is another laptop which is not connected to the radio with an external monitor. I have 7300 here. I have a rotator here. I have a beam for 2015-10 and slanting dipoles for most of the other bands like 17 I have, 12 I have another beam for 6 meters, 4 element. I have, this is my amp, this is my SWR meter, and I have a standby tuner SWR meter, power meter. This is the rig controller on the computer. You can see most of the readings here. My frequency now is 24950 12 meters. So you see the radio is 24950. My logbook shows 24950. And you can, pretty much everything is available here without going into the menu to set. And you see A and B are both 24950. And all the bands are here, and USB LSU mode is here, the noise controller is here, RF power, mic gain, etc. So everything is very, very clearly here. And this is the win for ICOM software. I basically use it to, not only for this, it gives me an opportunity to use the radio port, which is only one, and many applications can control the radio. For example, now my logbook is controlling the radio, and JTDX is controlling the radio, etc., etc. So it gives me an ability to split the radio port. And now let's go to the logbook. This is the log entry area. This is the logbook actually. Last one conducted was VU2DCC Whiskey on 15th of February today. This is a map showing where the station that I am going to work with is on the world map in relation to my position. This is the old logs which come up here. This is a DX port. All the stations who are in HF today now reported by reverse beacon networks and web SDRs all over the world. I have set it like that, and stations that reported by Asian continent, which is actually more important to me, it will come here. And then again in this, it is split into separate bands, 40 meters, 30 meters, 20 meters, etc., etc. Yes, I'll bring it up front. Yeah. So you see all these bands separate. So you just have to sit here and see all the bands, who are all there on all the bands, and then if there's a station which I need, it will get colored. I mean, it's set like that, so the color will be different. So if there is any color difference in these names, it means that I need that station on that band. So it's very fast. You don't have to worry. You look at the other things. You just see if there are any colored entries here, which means that I need that country on that band. If you find there is nothing there now, suppose on this 12 meters, I am on 12 meters. If I just have to click here, the radio will automatically change. It is already automatically come here, automatically opened by JTDX. The radio has shifted to 24919. It was earlier 24950, and it's already measuring the FT8 signals. The log frequency has changed. The new calls have now come. So it's very easy. You can just click there. The radio will go there, and all the mode will change automatically to that, and then you are ready to operate. See if you can copy him. Okay, I'll close that now. Okay, that's gone. I can go to 24950 and mode is of course 24950 here. Change the mode as earlier. Again change to 9440. And if you want to enter, for example, VU2 Alpha Charlie Charlie, VU2 Alpha Charlie Charlie. See, I entered the call sign here and his name has come here. See, here. And below, his full address has come automatically. And he is of course north of me. He is very close, so the map has nothing to do there. Map, you know where the sun is now on peak in Africa. I'm here just past the mid-noon, and the computer knows the frequency, mode, the time, date, everything. So I just enter. I'll enter the log of VU2DCC on 12 meter, doesn't matter. See, it's already gone here. VU2DCC is already in my log on 15.2. I'll have to delete that. And another thing is the last log that he has done with me, all the last many. If he has contacted me in 1985, it will come out here. So all the logs, that all the QSOs he has with me are coming here. Now I have to remove that. I can do that because since this is not a QSO that has actually taken place, I'll delete that. Delete QSO. Okay, I delete that. Not only that, when I entered VU2 Alpha Charlie Charlie, that copy of that log was automatically sent to QRZ, club log, and LOTW. I have to remove all those things. Anyway, in the other computer, for example, you see other spotting devices. For example, I was looking for V73 Whiskey Victor 73 Whiskey. He was there on 24950. That I was waiting for him because 24950. I checked places like this where it shows. For example, this is Marshall Island. This is from Marshall Island, and India propagation to India is very good on 12 meters. This is Marshall Island, this is 12 meters, and this is a condition, and red shows in India means, but I have not copied it. I was waiting. You can go to another walk-up. This is Voice of America propagation tool, which also will tell you if the condition between my and Marshall Island, Victor 73 Whiskey, it's just northeast of Australia, southeast of Japan. You see, okay. So if the conditions are good now, or when it will be good, I can go here, and then this is what let's say VU2PTT has a loop antenna at its home in Bangalore, and all the signals coming in HF, his antenna will collect and show here. So if this shows some stations in which I am interested in, for example, he is copying South Africa. This is South Africa. He is copying Australia. See, this is Australia. So if I am interested in South, I am not. If I am interested in South Africa or Australia on this band, 12 meters or 20 meters, whatever, I can see if he is copying. It's a very good chance that I will copy him also, because he is using a generic antenna for all the frequencies in the HF band up to 10 meters, I think 6 also. So it's a very good chance that I will also copy. So I can try. So that's the idea. And this is the VU3. I was telling VU3 whiskey, and just a minute. VU3 whiskey. I have already contacted him in not so many bands and CWN4, and this I was waiting for in 12 meters because I do not have a 12 meter phone, but it did not happen today. It doesn't matter. That's one, and again this is the same. I can put my call sign over here to say VU2DCC and then C, for example. So this is the only signal shown by VU2DCC somebody cooperate me in Austria on 12 meters. That's all. So you can try if your own signals are reaching the station that you are looking for. No, you will know where your signals are reaching. It's also another tool. So that's it. Thank you.